I'll say something. I've been interrupting like the last 5 times I tried to record this. So this is a Casio CMD-40. I bought it in 2012. I paid $69 for it. I actually bought 2 of these. It has the stainless steel band, but the first one broke, and this one here, the seal leaked in the back, so it got water in it, and it doesn't work anymore. It's a remote control watch. You can program it. You can teach it commands or codes from other remotes. I mean, literally anything with a infrared, you can teach it, so it'll control your car stereo, your air conditioner, your fan, your heater, DVD players, CD player, VHS player, beta player, it doesn't matter. But this watch was actually never sold in 2012 by Walmart. You won't find it. It was actually sold in 1995, which is weird because I bought 2 of them, but they were never sold by Walmart. So this watch is actually worth $700 now. It's a vintage watch, and it wasn't produced or sold in 2012. This is my personal Mandela effect. I have a $700 watch sitting here.